20 years ago, we started with just a few people, a few rooms, and a handful of simple machines. What we had back then is what drives us today: a shared spirit, a steady commitment, and a dedication to excellence that never wavers. From those humble beginnings, Meichen Steel Structures has grown into a full-service company, handling design, manufacturing, and installation all under one roof. Our facilities cover 80,000 square meters, with advanced production lines capable of welded H sections, box type, lattice, and custom-shaped steel components. We produce over 50,000 tons of steel each year and proudly hold Class 1 steel structure contractor qualifications. We're also members of the China Steel Structure Association. We believe technology and talent are the heart of our business. Our team includes nearly 200 skilled professionals, senior engineers, structural designers, and certified project managers. Working closely with top research institutes, we constantly learn, innovate, and refine our skills, making our team stronger and more united. Quality is never compromised at Meichen. We operate under certified management systems for quality, environment, and occupational health and safety. From design and fabrication to installation and final acceptance, every step is strictly monitored. If something doesn't meet our standards, we stop. No exceptions. That's how we ensure every structure is safe, reliable, and built to last. Our work spans industrial plants, logistics warehouses, commercial buildings, sports arenas, and bridges. We're proud to partner with major state-owned enterprises like Sinopec, CNPC, Power China, China Railway, and the Aluminum Corporation of China. Every project tells a story of trust, precision, and long-term collaboration. Our philosophy is simple: let the market guide us. Keep our clients at the center, manage with discipline, and let quality drive our future. Corporate culture is the soul of Meichen. Guided by craftsmanship and integrity, we don't just build steel structures, we build trust, value, and long-term success with our clients around the world. Meichen Steel Structures. Rooted in quality. Growing with trust. Building for the future.